I gave you up. Oh. Yeah, thank you for the warning. Yep, I got it. Looks like they're gonna have baby chicks here pretty soon. You know what? I never released that video of you and the baby chicks. No, I never uploaded that. I don't even know where it is anymore. That was what, this time last year? Yeah, I'll have to find that. I would have moved that onto hard drive. I'll look for that. Okay, let's find our bird food. There it is, 40 pounds. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of them now. Right. Yeah. There's a lot of seed. All right, any others that we want? Well, that's true. That's true. But last time we found it had mostly corn, and they don't really like the corn, so I don't think that makes much sense. Is there anything else? Did you just take in one of your downies? Right. What did we say about that? What did we say? Huh? I'm just checking your feathers, since we got some time to kill here. Yeah, let me see. Yeah. Not here, not in public. Stop embarrassing me, Mom. Stop embarrassing me, Mom. Well, at least you let me kiss you.